it appears to me that nobody cares about the entity called Nigeria. Permit me the use of this language. To your tent, O Israel, return. Everybody is for himself. Nobody cares for Nigeria. That is why the welfare of Nigerian people, the slaughtering of Nigerian people, the people are on daily basis being slaughtered like chicken. And a governor, president, can go on tour without even blinking an eye. Why? Because governors and the president are chief security officers of their respective states and of the federation. Any government that has not been able to provide security for its people, for me, that's a failed government. Because as at today's Sheung, we are going back gradually to what Hobbes called the state of nature. The mighty is right. Life has become brutish, nasty, and there appears to be no place for industry because no investor will invest in an economy where the judiciary cannot dispense justice quickly. For instance, yesterday, the Supreme Court gave me a judgment of a case that was filed on the 12th of January 2001. And that court case had been in court. It was finally decided by the Supreme Court again on the 12th of January 2024. 24 years
after.
Those who gave evidence for me in those cases, in that case, have died. The person who was my witness number 2, who prepared the valuation of the property damage, had died. Some my colleagues that was doing the case with me, 2 of them, late Ocholi James SAN, started the case and gave it to me. He had gone home. Another person, Dr. Gwajande, had also died. One of the justices of the Court of Appeal that decided the interlocutory appeal, interlocutory applications that I brought for disciplinary power of the court, had also died. So yesterday I was singing song praising God for sparing my life because for close to 24 years we were looking for justice in Nigerian court. Who is the investor that will come and then be in court? That is why there is a need for us as a people, as a country, as a government to look quickly how justice is to be dispensed in Nigeria. I bought a property in 2000. That property became a subject of dispute. We went to court. Judgment was delivered in 2002 by my Lord, late Justice Safla Kumasi, when he was a justice of the Court of Appeal. The appeal in respect of that case is still pending in the Supreme Court. What do you say about it? So justice in Nigeria appears to be too slow to catch up with the modernity in our system. And the reason is very simple. We appears to have judex that just prefer analog way of doing things rather than using scientific means of arriving at a decision. How many years did it take the UK court to send our former Deputy Senate President and his wife to prison? If it were in Nigeria, we are still at the peripheral stage of preliminary objections. So even in election petition, the Parliament appears to have curbed the excesses of lawyers in preliminary objection in terminating petition at infancy. You discover that lawyers decide to separate themselves. And when they separate themselves, they file all manner of applications to overwhelm the judges, to overwhelm lawyers of the petitioner, all in a bid to frustrate the expiration of the petition. So until we get the legal profession to discipline its members, and quickly too, and not this complaint-based system of complaining against lawyers, because if you ask the general public today about the conduct of some of our colleagues, you will weep what they do. Some have become a conduit pipe through which the stream of justice is polluted. the body of benchers that is responsible for discipline of lawyers through the legal practitioner disciplinary committee must do something, because we can't continue like this. The legal profession is a profession of light, but it appears like I have said in the time past that darkness appears to overshadow the light of the profession, and gross darkness too. If that be the case, we must then put up the light of the profession by the way and manner we focus on those who are admitted to the bar and the inner bar, and those who are admitted to the to go to the bench, even in the trial court, the court of appeal, and the Supreme Court.